If you're considering buying Clicks Technology US, there are a few things you absolutely need to know before making that decision. In this video, we're going to break down the 7 key points that will give you all the info you need to decide if this product is right for you, and I promise it'll be worth sticking around for the last point. Trust me, it's something you won't want to miss. Now, one of the first things to understand about Clicks Technology US is its reputation in the market. Compared to other similar tools, Clicks offers a pretty impressive set of features that can stand up to the competition. While some platforms in this space are limited in functionality or difficult to navigate, Clicks Technology US delivers a much more streamlined experience, meaning less time spent figuring things out and more time actually driving results. Next thing you need to know is about its pricing structure. Unlike some of its competitors who have hidden fees or unpredictable charges, Clicks Technology US is refreshingly transparent. You won't find any unpleasant surprises when it comes to the costs, which is a huge benefit. Plus, the flexibility in their plans gives you options based on the level of service you need, making it accessible for both small businesses and larger enterprises. The third thing to consider is the ease of use. A common gripe with many tech products is their steep learning curve. But with Clicks Technology US, the user interface is intuitive and straightforward. I've tested it myself, and I found that getting started didn't take much time at all. If you're comparing it to some competitors, you'll notice how much easier it is to jump in and get your campaigns up and running. Next thing is the customer support. This is one of those features that can make or break a tech product, and Clicks Technology US does a solid job here. Their support team is responsive and helpful. In fact, when I reached out with a question, I was met with a solution in under 30 minutes. That's definitely a step up from some of the other platforms that leave you waiting for days. The fifth thing you should know is about integration capabilities. If you already use other software for your business, Clicks Technology US offers a range of integrations with popular platforms, making it easier to sync your data across different tools. This integration is seamless and helps save time, which is a critical factor when you're scaling your business. Now, the sixth thing you should consider is the scalability of Clicks Technology US. As your business grows, you want a product that can grow with you. One of the standout features of Clicks Technology US is its ability to scale without compromising performance. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a large team, the software can adapt to your needs. The seventh and final thing to know before buying Clicks Technology US is that they offer a fantastic free trial. If you're skeptical and want to test it out first, this is your chance to try the full product without any commitment. This free trial allows you to explore all the features and see for yourself how it compares to the competition. And trust me, after testing it out, you'll likely find that it's a tool that's worth the investment. If you want to try out Clicks Technology US for yourself, make sure to click the first link in the description below. By using this link, you'll not only get the best free trial offer available, but also some exclusive benefits that you won't find elsewhere. So, don't wait. Click that link now and start exploring Clicks Technology US today.